Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Beetel B26 Slimline telephone. This is basically a landline from Beetel. The model number is B26. This comes with tone pulse dialing, redial function, and it is also mountable on a wall. There's an image of the phone right over here as well. This is the black variant. Do we have anything extra information? Some features I mentioned like flash time, selectable, ringer on off options, wall mountable as I said earlier, redial function, flash function, and tone pulse switchable as well. That's all the information. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a user's manual. This particular manual will help you connect this device to whatever phone line you have at home. It's an important document. There's also some warranty information at the back, so don't lose this document. And this is what the Beetel B26 Slimline telephone looks like. For those of you who are interested in retro style phones, retro style landlines, this is a very good choice for you. This looks pretty sleek. It has this matte black finish to it. Very sleek design. So unlike old school phones, the base is just kind of ornamental. It's only for keeping the phone. This cable, this is where the telephone line cable is over here. This is what will connect to the telephone line source at your home. But this particular cable will remind you of the retro design phones, and the actual dial is over here on the phone itself. There you go. This is a numpad dial. It comes with tone pulse. There's also flash button. There's a redial option, and this is the flash button as well. Okay, and there's a ringer on off button over here as well. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Beetel B26 Slimline telephone. Thank you for watching.